Hey there, food lovers! Get ready for a culinary adventure that's as easy on the eyes as it is on the palate. Today, we're diving into a classic with a cheesy, twist-stuffed chicken breast with spinach and cheese. This dish is a symphony of flavors and textures guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. So, let's gather our ingredients and embark on this delightful culinary journey. Before we begin our culinary masterpiece, let's ensure we have all the necessary ingredients at hand. Having everything ready and within reach will make the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. This recipe is beautifully simple, requiring just a handful of components that come together to create an explosion of flavor. Here's what you'll need: boneless, skinless chicken breasts, as many as you'd like to prepare. These will be the star of our dish, providing a tender and juicy base. Fresh spinach leaves, washed and dried. Spinach adds a vibrant color and a nutritious element to our meal. Shredded cheese of your choice, cheddar, mozzarella, or a blend work wonderfully. The cheese will melt beautifully, adding a creamy texture and rich flavor. Cream cheese, softened to room temperature. This will help it blend smoothly with the other ingredients, creating a luscious filling. Garlic cloves, minced, adjust to your preference. Garlic adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor to our dish. A pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. These basic seasonings will enhance the natural flavors of our ingredients. Optional toppings, extra shredded cheese or a drizzle of cream. These can add an extra layer of indulgence to your dish, making it even more delightful. Now let's prepare our chicken breasts for their delicious filling. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice each chicken breast horizontally, creating a pocket without cutting all the way through. Imagine you're creating a small pouch within the chicken breast, ready to cradle the flavorful spinach and cheese filling. This technique ensures the filling remains snugly tucked inside, while the chicken cooks to juicy perfection. For our next act, we'll prepare the star of the show, the spinach and cheese filling. This delightful mixture will be the heart of our dish, bringing together the earthy flavors of spinach and the creamy richness of cheese. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. The oil should be just enough to coat the bottom of the pan, ensuring that our ingredients cook evenly without sticking. Once shimmering, toss in the minced garlic and sauté for a minute until fragrant, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. The garlic should release its aroma, adding a wonderful depth of flavor to our filling. Add the washed and dried spinach leaves to the pan and cook until wilted, stirring frequently. The spinach will reduce significantly in volume as it cooks, becoming tender and vibrant green. This should only take a couple of minutes. Be sure to keep an eye on it, as spinach cooks very quickly, and we don't want it to become too mushy. Remove the pan from the heat and transfer the spinach mixture to a bowl. Let it cool slightly, which will make it easier to handle and mix with the cheese. Allow it to cool slightly before adding the softened cream cheese and shredded cheese. The cream cheese should be at room temperature to ensure it blends smoothly with the spinach. Season generously with salt and pepper, then mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. The seasoning will enhance the flavors, making sure every bite is perfectly balanced and delicious. Now comes the fun part: stuffing our chicken breasts with the cheesy spinach mixture. Using a spoon, generously fill the pocket of each chicken breast with the prepared filling. Don't be shy. The more filling, the more flavorful each bite will be. Once stuffed, use toothpicks to secure the edges of the chicken breasts, ensuring the filling remains intact during cooking. This step is crucial for preventing any cheesy escapes while the chicken sizzles to perfection. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place the stuffed chicken breasts in the skillet. Sear for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Searing the chicken helps to lock in the juices and creates a crispy exterior. Remember to adjust the heat if necessary to prevent the chicken from burning. Our goal is a beautiful, even sear on both sides. The ovens embrace baking to perfection. The journey to a perfectly baked dish begins with the right preparation. Once our chicken breasts are beautifully seared, it's time to transfer them to the oven for the final act. This step is crucial as it ensures the chicken is cooked evenly and retains its moisture. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for baking chicken, allowing it to cook through without drying out. Carefully place the skillet with the seared chicken breasts into the preheated oven. Make sure to use oven mitts to protect your hands from the heat. Bake for approximately 15 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the internal temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius, or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature to ensure it's safe to eat. The oven's gentle heat will ensure the chicken cooks evenly, resulting in a juicy and flavorful dish. Once done, let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving to allow the juices to redistribute, making every bite tender and delicious. A final flourish of flavor. For an extra layer of cheesy indulgence, consider adding a sprinkle of extra shredded cheese or a drizzle of cream over the chicken breasts during the last few minutes of baking. This will create a beautiful melted topping that adds an extra touch of richness. This step is entirely optional but highly recommended for cheese enthusiasts. Presenting your culinary masterpiece. Once the chicken breasts are cooked to perfection, remove the skillet from the oven and let them rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful dish. Carefully remove the toothpicks before serving. Slice each chicken breast open to reveal the cheesy spinach filling and serve immediately. This dish pairs perfectly with a side of roasted vegetables, a fresh salad, or your favorite grain. Until next time, happy cooking! Congratulations on creating a restaurant-quality meal in your own kitchen. This stuffed chicken breast with spinach and cheese is a testament to the fact that delicious food doesn't have to be complicated. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that's sure to impress your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes that will make you feel like a culinary superstar. Until next time, happy cooking!